Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and today's video about the CSSE past paper 2025. So we're gonna solve question number 3 and the question number 4. So question number 3 based on person and the question number 4 based on decimal. So we're gonna recap for the topic as well quickly. Yeah. So first we go for the person. Look at the question number 3A is an 8% of 250. So I'm going to use the concept of the person, right? So look at this one. This is our triangle, and I'm going to say this is P, and this is sign of person, and this is W, right? Okay, so let me write down. Okay, so it means P is your part amount here, and W is your whole amount, and this is person sign. So this is, I would say, this is person. Yeah, okay. So we are using the concepts of this triangle. Okay, so let me write down if we're going to find part amount. So I'm gonna write here as per this triangle. So you need to do person times W, right? And if we're gonna find out whole amount, so you need to write part amount divided by percent. um, if you're gonna find out the percent amount, so you're gonna write here P over W. Very simple and easy, okay? So we just summarize how to work out the three elements of percent, okay? So like part amount, whole amount, and the percent amount. Look at the question, okay? The question A, B, C, okay? Basis of these triangles values, okay? So now the first things we need to check, okay? So look at the question number 1, right? Okay, the question number 1 is 8% of 250. So it means the whole amount is given and the percent is given. So which one is missing? Okay, so the P is missing. It means the part amount is missing. So we're gonna work out the part amount, and the part amount we're gonna work out how. So I'm gonna write here P equal to is percent time W. So the percent is a 8. I'm gonna write here 8% times the whole amount is giving 250. So 8% means 8 divided by 100 times 250. Now look at this one, 0 cancel with this 0, and 5 times 2 is 10, and 5 times 5 is 25, and then again 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 4 is 8. Now we're gonna multiply 4 times 5, so it means answer is 20. So it means the 8% of 250 is 20. Yeah. So this is your final answer for 3A. Yeah. Now go for the question number 3B. It says 15% of what is 48. Yeah. So let me check. So it means part amount is given, yeah, and also percent is given. So the missing one is W, right? Okay, so go back and check. We have a formula here. So W equal to P divided by percent. So we're gonna use the same formula, okay? So it means P is a part amount, so I can write here 48 divided by 15. So we're going to use the bus method. Okay, so bus method is 48 and 15, and 15 times 3 is 45, and the remainder is 3. I can put the decimal here and put 0, and 15 times 2 is 30. So it means your answer 48 divided by 15 is 3.2, and now is a decimal is 100, so we need to multiply, so the answer will be 320. Yeah, okay, so the whole amount will be 320. Yeah, this is your answer, okay, for the question number 3b. Now we're going to work out the question number part 3c. Yeah, okay, so part C is given here. It says about what percent of 180 is 63. Okay, so look at here. Okay, so 63 is P is given. Yeah, 180 W is given, but here is a percent amount is missing, so we need to work out percent. So go back and check the formula. Okay, so the percent is equal to P over W. So we're gonna write here, so look at this one, I'm gonna write here percent equal to, yeah, so the part amount given, which is 63, and divided by whole amount 180. Again, you're going to use the bus method for division. So I'm going to write 63 and I'm going to write here 180. So 63 can't go by 180. I can put the decimal here and I put 0 here as well. Okay. And 18 times 3 is 54. So I'm going to use, okay, 180 times 3, 540, and then 630. Take away 540, you will get 90. I put one more 0. So now 180 times 5 is 900. Yeah, if you know the timetable, so 18 times 5 is 90. Yeah, okay. So you will get the answer what? 63 divided by 180 is 0.35. If you convert to the percent times by hundreds, yeah, okay, so it means your answer is 35%. Okay, so the question number 3C answer is 35%, right? Okay, and now go to the question number 4. The question number 4, very easy, is a concept of the simples like addition, subtraction, times, and division. Okay, so we're gonna go here and simply multiply 34 times 9. Yeah, okay, so look at this one, 34 times 9. Okay, so 9 times 4 is 36, and 3 times 9 is 27. 27 plus 3 is 30. So you will get the answer 306. Yeah, okay. How many decimal places? Okay, so 3.4, 1 decimal places. So I'm going to put here 1 decimal places. So final answer you can write here 30.6. Yeah. Now this is the simple addition for the part B. Question number 4B is a 5.3 plus 7.82. So we're going to write here 5.3 and 7.82. The point to be understand decimal under decimal. Okay, so don't write, okay, the wrong way. Okay, so decimal coming under decimal, so you won't make any mistakes. So now 2, 8 plus 3 is 11. And now carry here, it means 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. So answer is 13.2. 13.12. Now, question number part 4C. Very simple, very easy. Again, decimal under decimal. So you're going to write here 9.2 and 3.31. Now is, look at here, is missing the second, yeah, digit after 2. Yeah, okay, so what we're going to do, okay, we're going to subtract this one. Okay, 1 can't go by 0, so we're gonna cancel this 2, become 1, and now is 10. So 10 take away 1 is 9, And now look at this one. 9 is going to change to 8. So 11 take away 3 is 8. And 8 take away 3 is 5. And decimal under decimal. So your answer is 5.89. Yeah. Now is the last part, 4D. Very easy, very simple. Okay. So 3.9 divided by 0.3. Yeah. So look at this one. This decimal cancel with this decimal. Okay. Decimal. And now 3 times 1 is 3. And 3 times 13 is 39. So the final answer is 13. Yeah. Okay. So this is the video about question number 3 and the question number 4, which came CSSE 2025. Okay, and you may pause the video and try to solve this question. And if you like this video, please thumbs up and do subscribe my channel. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.